Jays are a prime culprit. But it's not just birds who steal their stash. Other squirrels are on the make too. After all, why bother to find and store a nut when you can nick someone else's? And this pilfering is a serious business. It reduces the hoarder's food supply, so ultimately it can be a matter of life and death in a hard winter. So grey squirrels have become masters of deception. They scatterhoard, hiding nuts throughout their territory to spread the risk of all of their stash being raided in one go. They also dig up stored nuts and then rebury them in different places. This throws thieves off the scent. If they become aware of another squirrel watching whilst they're caching, they become even more secretive. They'll turn their backs on the onlooker and sometimes dig fake holes. They'll even conceal the nut in their mouth and then bury it at a completely different location. For a grey squirrel, the local park is a world of theft and deception. These streetwise rodents will stop at nothing to find and protect